Ma'am, I have done all the states of important points.
Okay, you have written all the important features of all the states
Yes, ma'am.
of both the chapters.
Chapter 17 also.
Ma'am, what you are doing?
16, 17 both the chapter states. Ma'am, I have completed 16, 17 both the chapter states.
Very nice, very good.
Ma'am, so we have to do now chapter 18.
No, beta. Yes, we are coming to chapter 18, but see children, now each day we are going to do something related to any activity. Okay.
Ma'am, I have
That today you will do a little effort. Now what that effort is going to be, see, you'll have to, now we are talking about chapter 18, like, right? What is the name of the chapter? The Diversity of India. So in diversity, we learned about different things that take place in different states, about the food, about costume, languages, and many other things. So what you have to do is you have to collect pictures. You have to collect pictures of different food of different states, different costumes of different states, and
Ma'am, on
different
Google.
crops of different states, different weather, sorry, climatic conditions of different states. Okay. And then we are going to make chart one by one. One day we are going to make chart of different foods of India. Fine. Then suppose we will collect food from Kashmir, food from Delhi, food from Assam, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. And then we are going to make a collage kind of a thing. Do you understand what is a collage?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to say something.
Okay, Varun, say something. Say.
Ma'am, but I am on chapter 16 only. Rajasthan.
No problem. Do it today.
Ma'am, from the Google we have to
Okay.
search the pictures.
You have to search pictures, yes, from Google, but this thing I'm talking about your actual creation on a chart paper.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you will do it.
No.
And
We
you
have
will,
to collect the pictures of which on the Google.
write down the headings. See, I'm going to tell you what you have to do. You have to see on page number 124 in your book, it is given. Pin it up. There is a little exercise at the end of the page.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Choose 5
Kind of.
states or regions.
states.
Find out the names of the traditional dresses worn by men and women of that region. Paste pictures of these dresses. So first thing is costume, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to collect different costumes. Then the second thing, what is the second thing? Food. One is costume, one is food. Then one is festivals. So now today what you are going to do is, today you will buy all the material that is required. What all will be required? Chart papers. You can buy 5 chart papers, children. Okay? One for food, one
Okay.
for costume, one for festival, one for crops, and one for, give me one more idea. One for what?
Ma'am, costumes.
Costumes I have already spoken. Maybe the
Mm,
physical
festivals.
features. Maybe
Ma'am,
we,
crops.
beta, maybe we can talk about different physical features. Like Rajasthan and Gujarat is
Yes, ma'am.
desert area. Then Jammu, Kashmir and all those mountainous states. Okay, we can include in that. So one is physical features. And then you have to take out printouts also. Now it's your choice whether you will buy chart papers that are available in the market, or you will uh, take printouts by seeing pictures, choosing pictures from Google. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. See, there is one more.
In the printout, ma'am, we have to, ma'am, we have to, on one paper, we have to search on the Google computer food language of every region, and ma'am, then paste it.
Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Wait,
ma'am,
wait, wait, wait. I'm
ma'am.
going to show you something. Just wait. Okay, now I'm sharing a screen with you, children. Just a minute. Just hold on for a minute, okay? Everything will be very clear in your mind what you're supposed to do. Can you see?
No, ma'am.
Now can you see?
Ma'am, it is written. Ma'am, now it.
And we can see.
We can see.
And we can see.
See, now this kind of a collage has been made by students only. Can you see it, beta? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
But here it has not opened only.
So, ma'am, we can, ma'am, so we can collect pictures from the books also.
Yes, you can collect pictures from your old books also. You can collect pictures from anywhere. You find out anything from magazines at your place. If you find out any food item there, you can take that picture. Now see, this collage has been made so beautifully. The festivals of India. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Festivals of light, Diwali, then color, Holi, then it has made a kite, the student. And this has been done by a student of class 1B, Sia Jindal. Then let's come on to some other collage. Festivals of India. So for festivals, now see, this is so beautifully done, right? Can you see all that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is so beautiful. So many different pictures in just one, on one chart paper.
In this, so many different pictures, ma'am, we have to first search on the Google, and ma'am, then print out these pictures.
No, beta, now you will not Google these collages on Google. You will not search these collages on Google. You will select and collect individual pictures. Like you can even take 3 pictures of Christmas. You can take 5 pictures of Diwali. Okay, not necessarily just one picture. You have to cover up your whole chart paper. It should not look empty. Is that fine?
Okay, ma'am.
And you can also do one thing. See, don't make 5 chart papers. Make any 2. Choose any 2 topics of your choice. I have told you 5 topics now. You can choose any 2 topics and make a collage. Now see, this is so beautiful. Can you see this one?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to collect pictures from 5 states.
No 5 states. As many states as you can.
Okay, ma'am.
As many states. Yes. Yes, beta, say.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have joined it. Can you tell what we have to do?
Beta, I was just discussing a few activities a little craft work that you have to do now, since we are done with our syllabus and we have done the revision so many times, we have done so many things. Now let's just keep our focus on a little craft work and some activities. So what craft work you have to do? You have to make a collage of any of the following, any two collages of the following topics. The topics are food, then the next topic is costumes, the next is festivals, the fourth topic is the physical features, and the fifth topic is crops around the country. This craft work is being done taking into consideration the 18th chapter. What is the 18th chapter? The diversity of India. So we have to show how diverse our country is. We have to show different things that are found in our country. Is that fine? And your collages,
Yes, ma'am.
your chart paper will be a kind of your final this thing. These will be included in your finals. Okay, this have to be submitted in the school. Everybody is going to show what you have done. Fine? It has to be that neat.
Okay, ma'am.
White color.
Yes, yes, chart paper can be of any color.
Okay.
And you have to cover your chart paper with pictures that not even an inch of space is seen vacant. Okay, your chart paper should not look empty.
Ma'am, we
Yes,
can
beta.
also, ma'am, we can also, ma'am, take a chart paper and do, ma'am, on the full chart paper, we can also choose one topic and just,
You have to do one topic only. On one chart paper, you have to do one topic only.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, one child has to do only one topic only.
No, one child has to make two chart papers. Any two topics of your choice. Okay?
Ma'am, we have to first buy any color of chart paper of 2, and ma'am, we have to choose of any of the 2 topics of these.
Yes, any of the two topics you can choose. Okay, you have to buy two chart papers. Suppose I was there, if I was given this work to do, I would have done things of my choice. Now, what is your choice, Iram? What will you prepare on? Can you tell?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
can I
will
tell?
prepare on food and
Varin, wait.
festivals.
You will prepare on
Food and festivals.
food and festivals. Very good. Varin, what will you prepare on?
Ma'am, I will also prepare on food and festivals.
Adrika, what about you?
I am good at making festivals, and ma'am, it was like a revision. My art teacher has done that, so ma'am, I will also do food and festivals.
Okay, what about you, Saif Ali?
Ma'am, I also.
Ma'am,
I also
ma'am,
want to
one
do all
festival and
the
food
food and the festivals.
Okay, Utsav Gangwar, what about you?
Ma'am, crops and festivals.
Very good. What about you, Ashvik Agarwal?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, props and
ma'am,
festival.
we have to make only
Props.
chart paper, or we have to make video also.
No video, nothing.
Okay,
No
ma'am.
video has to be made. This you have to do at in the next class. Now, not today. Today also we have one more period. You will not be able to do. Okay, whenever we have our next class, we will do this work then in the class. Fine.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
you have to be ready with all your printouts, your chart paper, your sketch pens, your scale, and one more thing came to my mind, your glue. Yes, Fevistick or glue stick, whatever you want to use. Is it fine? Will
Ma'am,
that
chart
be enough?
paper,
Ma'am,
Yes.
chart paper, glue, printouts,
ma'am,
and
it is fine.
scissors.
Yes, you will require all
Colors.
these things, no? To paste pictures, you will require glue.
Yes.
To outline those things, you require a sketch
Ma'am.
pen. To give a heading to your chart
Yes.
paper, you need sketch pen, you need a scale. Isn't it?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anshuman, what do you want to say?
Some
Ma'am,
pencils also.
Anshuman, what are you saying?
Ma'am, I cannot print out. Ma'am, I cannot print out the things that I have to make. Can I make the drawing of them?
Beta, will you be able to draw so much? Will you be able to cover up this chart paper, the complete chart paper? If you can do it, wonderful. That would be
Yes,
wonderful.
ma'am.
Very nice. Don't take out printouts then, Anshuman. It's your choice, children. If you can draw it, it's very nice. Draw different things. If you cannot draw, you can do this. Take printouts or buy chart papers. You can even have cutouts from magazines and books. Okay. Who else would want to share what he's going to do?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, so we will start this activity by tomorrow. So, ma'am, till then, I have not done
In costumes, ma'am, if I choose
state
a
one, can I do
costume,
that?
so ma'am, in the costumes I have to I have to only put the costumes or with the people of their religion and the costumes.
Okay,
Ma'am,
wait.
actually,
I'm going
I
to
will
clear
try.
this point. Just give me a minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, when you are talking about costumes, see, costumes from we should talk about costumes of different states. Like Jammu and Kashmir, men and women. You have to collect pictures and paste it. And under that, you will write costume from Jammu and Kashmir. Or just put the heading costumes across the country. And then under that, only write Jammu and Kashmir. Then paste another picture of costume, maybe from Punjab. Under that, you can write Punjab. Don't name the costume, just tell the state to which that costume belongs. Is that fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am?
Next. Yes, Adrika.
Ma'am, in the food one, ma'am, we have to make a drawing of the food in India.
Yes, we are talking about India only, beta. We live in India, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other query?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I do not have chart paper and ma'am, can I draw it on A4 side sheet?
Beta, when I'm again and again saying chart paper, then why is this A4 sheet coming in between? Yes, Iram.
ma'am, I am saying that in costumes, ma'am, we have to show like this all the costumes, like the and or ma'am only the costumes that are.
It's your
the
choice,
food.
beta. It's your choice. Whatever good pictures you get, you can choose them. Okay?
Okay,
Ma'am,
Just wait,
Ma'am.
children. Yes. Now say.
ma'am, we have to collect these pictures.
Yes, perfect.
food item.
Pictures like these. Yes. See, everything is being
Ma'am,
okay.
but those pictures should be bigger.
Yes, they should be big in size. They should have clarity, what it is. Okay? Yes,
Okay,
next. Anything else anyone wants to ask or say? Iram, you are muted.
Ma'am, I will take out these pictures out of Google. Ma'am,
Okay.
these, like,
Yes,
pictures.
perfect. and you have to fill your chart paper with these pictures. You can also write something. It's not necessary that you have to only paste pictures. If you feel that some important lines can be added in your chart paper, you can include those lines also.
Ma'am, can you give examples about
Ma'am,
these
can you
lines?
give
Ma'am,
example?
how can we include these lines?
Okay, these lines can be included like you can talk about some fabric, like synthetic and nylon clothes are also worn in some climates, and like that cotton clothes are worn in summers, woolen clothes are worn in winters. Any important information. Is that fine? Or suppose say if of few states you are not able to collect pictures from a few states, what people wear. So for those states, you can give information in written that people from these states wear this, or maybe you can talk about the village areas, some traditional things some accessories that they add to their attire. Okay, you can anything related to the topic, you can add information in written also. Maybe if I make a collage, I would add 2-3 paragraphs also in my collage at different places. Not necessarily paragraphs, maybe one important line in between 2-3 pictures, and then again I will stick 2-3 pictures. And it's not that you have to stick pictures in one sequence only. Right? The pictures can be a little tilted also. It can be a very designer kind of a collage.
And
It's
ma'am, we can draw also.
Yes, you can draw also. You can paste pictures, you can draw also. Your collage can include pictures, written content, drawing, and what else?
Ma'am,
Maybe something in real. Maybe something in real. If you're talking about crops, maybe you can paste leaves of something, real leaves of any plant or anything. Okay, in crops collage, you can also talk about trees and plants that are grown in that area. It should be a very designer kind of a thing, very creative, very good. Yes, beta, say.
ma'am, if I am pasting the pictures of crops, so what heading can I give?
You can give the heading the same only that we gave in our class, crops grown across the country.
And
Okay.
ma'am, for festivals and costumes, what will be the heading?
And ma'am, food and festivals, what will be the heading?
Beta, for food, it is going to be a different collage. For festivals, it is going to be a different collage. For festivals,
What
you
is
can...
the heading of
Okay,
festivals
okay.
and costumes?
We can think of some interesting titles. Now for festivals, you can relate your festivals to celebration, joy, happiness around. Okay, like that. So for festivals, let's say your heading can be let's celebrate.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let's celebrate. And in one paragraph, you can write what you are celebrating. Okay. The festivals of India around the world are celebrated in different ways. And then the pictures will tell what ways they are celebrated in. You can name all the festivals that you talk about. You can give national festivals, some information about national festivals. You can give information about regional festivals. Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, and for costumes, what will be the heading?
Costumes, you can say, you can relate it to some fashion, maybe. You can relate costumes with fashion. So what can the term be? What can the title be?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
and
fashions
please
of
tell for
India.
the food also.
Yes, different fashions of India, or children think of something creative,
Ma'am,
no?
food.
It can be anything. Now let me see
Ma'am,
how
please tell
creative you
for
can
food.
be. Yes, Varun, what are
Ma'am,
you saying?
I will write the title Fashions of India.
Ma'am,
Okay, Varun, what are you saying?
ma'am, please tell for food.
For food. Hmm.
Ma'am, let's
Tastes of India.
learn.
Okay, tastes of India.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Or
Yes, ma'am.
you can give the heading flavors of India.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, for festivals, it will be the Let's Celebrate.
Yes.
And ma'am, for costumes, it will be Fashions of India.
All right. Fashions of India, different styles of India, fashion styles, anything. Okay.
Ma'am, I have thingy, ma'am, for festivals, whatever, write the name.
Very nice if you have thought. For costumes, you can also write variety of.
Ma'am,
Yes.
now I will write the beautiful festivals of my beautiful India.
Very nice. Very good. For costumes, you can also write wardrobe collection. Okay, wardrobe collection from India. What is a wardrobe? All of you know what's a wardrobe is? Yes. So wardrobe from India. You can name it like that. Okay, think of something very different and creative. Now, one more thing, children. One more thing. How many of you like cooking?
Ma'am, what?
How many of you like
Ma'am,
to cook
ma'am, I
something?
don't
Cook
like
something.
cooking, but I know
But
something.
Varun, you like eating.
Ma'am,
I
but
have
I
seen you
know-
eating in the class so many times. Right?
No, ma'am, but ma'am, but I know to cooking like
Okay.
pizza, burger.
Very nice. You don't like it, but you know how to cook. And you also love to eat. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that so? Okay. Now see.
Ma'am, can
children,
I do one?
Ma'am, but not all time.
Ma'am, can I do for festival?
yes, you can do better. You can choose any topic of your choice.
Ma'am, I like cooking.
Cooking.
Now
Ma'am?
let me speak. I will not listen to anyone. Let me speak now. See, on page number 124. Open page number 124.
Ma'am, open.
Open.
Ma'am, it is already.
Now, there is this activity given at the bottom of the page, enjoy.
Yes, ma'am.
Utsav Gangwar, open your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Read out what is written in this enjoy.
Okay, ma'am. Enjoy. Work in groups. Find out the recipe of a special dish. Prepare it at home with the help of your parents or grandparents. Bring it to school on your next class and share it with your classmates.
Okay. If given a chance to you all, what thing would you prepare with the help of your parents? Everybody
Ma'am,
get.
I prepare cake.
Wait.
And chocolate cake.
No, children, please wait. Give yourself 2 minutes. Okay? Think of something very good, an interesting recipe. Okay? It can be not necessarily a cake. It can be a proper cuisine from any state. Okay, from anywhere. You can talk about cooking fish. You can talk about cooking saag and makke ki roti. You can talk about cooking some Italian thing, some Chinese, some Indian food, some North Indian food, some South Indian food, anything. So give yourself 2 minutes and think of something that you will prepare. And also write down the ingredients that you will be requiring for that particular recipe. Okay, clear to all of you? Show me a thumbs up. Good. And one day we are going to do this activity also.
Ma'am,
Yes, Iram.
Ma'am, I have think.
ma'am, I have find one recipe. Ma'am, I will make a pancake.
You will make a pancake. Wow. So Iram, you know how to make a pancake?
Yes, ma'am. I know.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, my nanny know how to make something special even by adding a recipe into a recipe.
Okay, by merging or clubbing two recipes.
Yes,
Nani
ma'am.
knows how to make interesting things. Okay, so let's write it from Iram that for pancake. Iram, what all ingredients do you need for a pancake? Tell us.
Ma'am, first I will need some. Ma'am, first I will for the
Okay, Iram, do one
I
thing.
will.
Don't speak like this. Take a rough paper in your hand, pencil in your hand, and write down all the ingredients. And children, whatever recipes you have thought about, just think about the ingredients that you will be requiring. Okay.
Ma'am, I am writing ingredients
Can
only.
you ma'am, can I tell you my recipe?
Ma'am,
Beta, everybody will get a turn, no? Everybody will get a turn. So you all have to be quiet for that. I want this work to happen in a very organized manner. Till the time you will write down the heading of what you are going to make and the ingredients required, by that time I'm going to mark your attendance. So do your work and let me do mine for 2 minutes. Okay? Nobody will disturb anyone. Dev Arya, you will get your turn after 2 minutes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I need to ask
Ma'am, I have done.
utensil.
Ma'am,
Wherein
ingredients
I
also I
just
have
don't
written.
appreciate this attitude of yours, beta. When somebody is speaking, you always speak in between. And I always check you on that. Now, while Adrika is speaking, why are you speaking in between? You should wait, beta. Yes, Adrika.
In which my recipe is cooked. Ma'am, I do not remember the name of the utensil.
Okay, what are you making? Tell me.
Ma'am, it's fried, some fried idli and ma'am, some cabbage.
Okay, for that idli, you need idli stand. To make idli, what do you need? You need an idli stand. Is that so?
No, ma'am, in which we cook ghee. Ma'am, ghee.
Pan? Are you talking about a hot pan kind of a thing? Frying pan?
Yes,
Dev
ma'am.
Arya, please wait. I'm talking to Adrika. Adrika, please tell the name of the utensil in Hindi.
Ma'am, it's like a bowl and it has also handles in it.
Kadai, are you talking about kadhai?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the kadai called in English? Beta, kadai, you can write kadai only.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the English name of that the ma'am that we call in Hindi that tawa?
Tawa is called. What is tawa in? Hot
And
plate
pan.
kind of a
Ma'am,
thing.
pen.
Yes, it's a hot plate, tawa.
Ma'am, in that, ma'am, there is one, ma'am, it is, yes, ma'am, ma'am, it is stick tawa, ma'am, what we called on other, ma'am, where the ghee is very less.
Non-stick pan, non-stick pan, non-stick
Yes,
tawa.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Non-stick tawa.
Okay, tawa in English is called a griddle.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
and it is also called a baking pan.
Ma'am, I have write the ingredients of my recipe.
Very nice, very good.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait, beta, wait.
Can I tell my recipe?
Again, next class is with me, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's share our recipes in the next class. Everybody will get a turn. Lakshita, Lakshita Gangwar.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, what have you thought about? You are not speaking today.
Ma'am, I'm thinking the recipe.
Oh, you have not even thought of the dish. You can talk about your favorite dish. I will help you out with the recipe. I know to cook mostly all the things, so I can help you a little.
Okay, ma'am.
And what has Abhimanyu Srivastav thought of? Abhimanyu Srivastav,
Yes, ma'am.
what have you thought of?
Ma'am, sandwich.
You have thought of sandwich. Okay. But I also remember when I was your class teacher in class 3, you also love aloo ka paranthas, right? You used to get in your tiffin. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
And you used to be so happy. Ma'am, today I have got aloo ka parantha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
When we will do the festivals and food activity?
When we will do in the next class now. Today, you will not be able to purchase these things. So whenever you have your class next with me, you have to be ready with all those things.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? And children, while you talk about your recipes, you also have to tell to which state it belongs.
Ma'am,
Okay?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can tell.
Devarya, beta, you're
Ma'am,
not
as I am
very
preparing my
clear.
recipe, ma'am, I am preparing my recipe, and I have all the things in my home. That is,
Beta, Devarya, please type in the chat box. You are very, like your signals are very weak and your voice is shaking. The class is going to get over in the next minute. So be prepared with everything that you need for your recipe. Be prepared with one more thing, that what crops you have to go to the roots of your recipe. Like suppose you're talking about aloo ka parantha. So for that, we have to talk about where potatoes are grown and what is needed to make that parantha. We need atta. Atta, where does flour come from? Flour comes from which crop? Wheat, isn't it? When we are talking about any recipe, we are talking about the social studies subject. We have to talk fully about, keep our focus on the social studies subject. Is it fine, children? So you have to talk about crops, you have to talk about, then for aloo ka parantha, you also need to put some ghee on it. Where does ghee come from? Ghee is what? A dairy product, isn't it? You have to tell each and everything.